everyone, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and I know we haven't updated in a little bit here, but I came on to say we're just so busy. We're just so busy. I'm working 6 days a week right now because wedding season is ending. So I've got all of these, this crazy amount of work right now coming up. Brian works his normal schedule where he's off on weekends, which is of course opposite of me. We never really get to see each other. And when we do, honestly, we try to go out to eat. We try to have fun family nights. We went to the arcade the other day. We went to this expensive steak restaurant. You know, we try to have as much fun together as possible, but sometimes that means not making videos together or just honestly not making a video sometimes. So anyway, had to do that little update. So today it's kind of a funny story actually. So quick intro. My friend Kristen, I do her hair every month. She's so much fun. We have so many laughs when she's in my chair. She does crazy colors or blonde in her hair. It's so much fun. She has always been super interested in my BEIS Carry-on bag that I got a few months ago. You guys have probably seen that video. It's honestly my best video, which is kind of funny. And the thing about BEIS is, and I love them so much, I love all of their products, and they're so popular they can never keep anything in stock. Of course, pandemic and shortage and all of that stuff. So my amazing friend Kristen has wanted this bag for so long, and then it's like, if you are not right by your phone or right by your computer when they come back in stock, like, you are screwed. So I said I would help her try to get one and kind of keep track. So when they came back in stock, she, you know, we both texted each other and said, oh my God, hurry up and go get the BEIS bag. And then the only one that was available was the beige bag. And secretly, I really wanted the beige bag so bad, but it wasn't available when I bought it. So I bought the gray one. And she really wanted the gray one. So today we're gonna do a little switcheroo, and I'm going to give her my beloved gray BEIS Carry-on suitcase, and she is going to give me her brand new beige one. And yeah, we're gonna adopt each other's carry-on bags. It's gonna be so cute. So I'm really excited for the beige one. It's just kind of more my motif, and she likes the gray one a lot better. It just kind of matches our personalities a little bit better. So we are going to do that when she comes and gets her hair done today, and I am really excited for that. Now, the funny thing is, we last used our bags when we went to Arizona. And Arizona was hot, right? Like, Arizona was 100 degrees, and now it's cold in Michigan, thus the long sleeves. And that means I have not unpacked my BEIS suitcase at all since that trip. Probably should do that today before I give it to Kristen. So let's get it done. You guys, literally, like, you couldn't pay me to unpack right when I get back from a trip, honestly. It's like the worst thing ever. Like, I don't know. I guess after a trip, I'm excited to get into my own bed. I'm excited to upload my travel videos. I'm excited to lay on my couch. I don't know what I'm excited to do, but I don't ever unpack until I need my suitcase again. If I need anything from inside of it, of course, I'm gonna get it out. But I have so many travel essentials that are only for traveling that I really don't need to go into my suitcase unless I need a specific item of clothing. So in here is literally, I haven't touched it since I landed. Obviously, I have my packing cubes full of clothes still. I'll just put them over there. I don't need them again for like a couple weeks. Yes. Life update. We are going to Washington, D.C. to hang out with some of my best friends in the world. We all met in Antarctica a couple of years ago. I'm gonna totally do a video about Antarctica because that's what everyone always wants to know. So I need to work on that soon. But anyway, we all try to get together as much as possible. We all live in different areas. One lives in the Bahamas, one lives in Florida, one lives in North Carolina, one is in the military, and I am in Michigan, obviously. So we try to get together as much as we can. They all came to my wedding. We are all meeting up in November to party it up and celebrate a little bit. I still have the Cheez-Its. Ah! Oh, they're spicy. Maybe I'll bring those to work today. Besides DC, obviously you guys know I'm going to Paris. That was my last video. I am so excited to go back to Paris. Where are the laundry bags? Oh, they're in there. Okay. Paris has been the only thing I've been able to think about. I bought museum tickets. I bought tickets to the ballet. I kind of just made a really nice itinerary. I picked my hotel. I have so many amazing videos coming for you guys when I go to Paris. I'm so excited. I've been working on my French. It's a little bit silly, but I do Duolingo every single day. Add me on there. My name is Lauren Does Hair. I honestly do probably at least an hour of Duolingo a day. I did add Hello Talk so I could try to talk to some native speakers. So that app is really cool because you have French people wanting to speak better English and English people wanting to speak better French. So you try to have conversations. I did it when I was learning Spanish a couple of years ago, and it was pretty helpful, but I also think some of the people were just using Google Translate a lot. But then you do have the opportunity to kind of correct them a little bit. The app has come a long way since I did that about 5 years ago. I've also been watching a lot of YouTubers on here that not only teach you like conversational French, but just kind of tell you, you know, what to do, what not to do, what to wear, what not to wear, how to act in a restaurant, how to order food, that sort of thing. This will be my 5th time in Paris, so I'm pretty familiar with everything, but it's really nice to have a reminder. And I think I'm going to go a little bit more out of my comfort zone. I am completely alone on this one, and I'm actually going to, you know, go to restaurants and go to cafes and try to order completely in French. And when I interact with somebody, I want to be able to speak French. So that's what I've been doing. Also today, I got my French health pass accepted. So if you guys don't know, when you want to go to France right now, you have to get a French health pass in order to do anything in France. So you go to a website, you upload your passport, you upload your vaccine card, and the dates of when you will be in France. And then it took 8 days to accept it. They sent me a QR code, and then I go into the COVID app and upload my QR code. And so every time I go into a store or restaurant, or if I want to go to a museum or the Eiffel Tower, anything like that, you show them the QR code on your phone, and that's how you get into everything. So I have also decided that I am officially going to Copenhagen after Paris. I will be spending the remainder of the week there. I did get my hotel. I am starting to do my research. The thing about Paris is I've been there a bunch of times, so I'm extremely familiar with the city and how it's laid out and how to get around, and I've pretty much done the big tourist things in Paris. When it comes to Copenhagen, I've never been there. So that is equally as exciting because it's brand new to me. And when something is brand new, like that's what makes my heart beat. Honestly, it's really cool. I'm looking up where to eat, what to eat, where to stay, what to do, the bars to go to at night, the things to do during the day. If you guys have any recommendations at all for when I am in Copenhagen, please leave me a comment down below. I will be so excited to hear anything that you have to say. I've watched probably like 40 YouTube videos of Copenhagen vlogs, or Copenhagen in the winter, or you know, what to eat in Copenhagen, that sort of thing. So please, any recommendations you have, I will absolutely try to do. So that's basically it for my life update for now. I am very excited to drop this bag off to my friend tonight and get my new one. Okay, we are ready for the big switcheroo because Kristen got the beige bag and I got the gray one. So look at my new bag now. And I left your stuff in there too. It's just on the inside instead.
Perfect.
Here's your gray one. It's a little scuffed up.
And that's put
with your mini work tote.
Please hold.
Please hold.
And voila.
Right? It's so nice. And then you just, it's honestly the best bag I ever had. It really is. Bye. So I guess that was a bit of a random video, but hey, you know, gotta do what we can do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below with anything that you want to say to us. We love reading comments and we always answer back to them. Yeah, super excited for my new bag. DC is going to be the first place that I bring it to. Actually, probably not. I don't even know when I'm gonna bring that new bag. I'm probably not gonna bring it to DC because we're there for a day. I'm not gonna bring it to Paris because I'm going to backpack. So probably Cape Verde, I would think. I don't know. My new BEIS bag is gonna get a little bit of a vacation. A little bit of chill time in my closet, I guess. So, all right, well, hope you guys enjoyed the update. We will see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Au revoir.